Well, if you've taken your pet to the vet recently, you know it is not cheap. If you're like a lot of pet owners, you've probably asked yourself, should I get pet insurance? As KCRA 3's Ty Steele shows us in today's Consumer Reports, the answer is not always easy.
When asked if he's a dog or a cat person, Consumer Reports investigative reporter Brian Vines answers both. He's the proud papa of a dog named Logo and a cat named Phoebe, who recently had an injury.
We opened the door and Phoebe came in and she was very timid and stayed low to the ground. And she had a little spot on her hind leg. And we were like, what has happened?
Brian does not have pet insurance, so treating Phoebe would be entirely out of pocket.
Pet insurance was always one of those things in the back of our minds, like, oh, we ought to do that.
But is pet insurance something you should consider? Well, for the first time, Consumer Reports evaluated and rated 8 pet insurance providers based on a survey of its members with insured pets. Looking at things such as premiums, what's covered, the claims process, and whether people had a choice in which vets to see.
We found that most people just aren't that satisfied with their pet insurance.
6 of the insurance providers earned just a mid-range overall satisfaction score, and 2 bottomed out with unfavorable ratings. So if you're considering pet insurance, there are some things you should know. Pre-existing conditions are typically not covered. There are usually annual caps. If you hit that limit, you'll have to pay out of pocket. You may be responsible for paying the provider directly and then file for reimbursement with the insurance company. So is pet insurance worth it?
If you're looking for a return on investment, maybe not so much. But if you value peace of mind, pet insurance may be something that you want to pursue.
Another option, telehealth, which is what Brian used.
Got instruction on how to clean the wound and a prescription for antibiotics that was delivered right to our door.
And thankfully, Phoebe healed up just fine. Ty Steele, KCRA 3 News.
And Consumer Reports also recommends another alternative option may be to bring your pet to an accredited veterinary medical college, which may be able to offer discounts on everything from routine care visits and spaying and neutering. So
yeah,
there's
that's
some
a good
benefits
idea.
there.
They do that a lot of times at like the big pet stores too, where you can go in on a Saturday and get reduced cost,
Right.
shots and stuff.
Every little bit helps.